Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your GK teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, as you know that we are on unit number 11 and the name of our unit is Being Just and Fair. Today we are going to make a project on this, how your behavior is fair or just throughout the week. How do you behave with different people? आज हम इसके ऊपर एक project बनाएंगे. This is lecture number 4. So let's start this lecture with the recap of the previous lecture. So मैं आपसे कुछ questions पूछूंगी and then you need to answer them. So quickly tell me, whom should we treat fairly? सिर्फ parents को, teachers को? No. We must treat fairly everyone around us, every human being. Very good. Okay, my dear students, some pre-reading questions. So quickly tell me that how do you treat others? Very good. Okay, my dear students, it's time for the project. So I request you all to please pause the video and open page number 82 in your GK2 books. I hope everybody has opened the page. So my dear students, let's start looking at the instructions of the project. So my dear students, इस project में आपको कहा जा रहा है that fill in the table by writing. How did you behave with the following people throughout the week? You may mention their names as well. So my dear students, पूरा हफ्ता week के names लिखे हुए हैं यहाँ पे Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. और आपने ये बताना है कि इन लोगों के साथ लाइक विद योर पेरेंट्स, सिबलिंग्स, फ्रेंड्स, टीचर्स एंड नेबर्स आपने किस तरीके से बिहेव किया था, आपको लिखना है. कौन से वोकैबुलरी वर्ड्स आप इसके लिए यूज कर सकते हैं? सबसे पहला वर्ड है फेयरली, काइंडली, अनफेयर, रिस्पेक्टफुली, सो ये कुछ वोकैबुलरी वर्ड्स हैं जिनको आप यूज करके अपने पूरे टेबल को फिल कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ऑन सैटरडे हाउ डिड यू बिहेव विद योर पेरेंट्स? सो इट वॉज रिस्पेक्टफुली, सो यू विल राइट हियर रिस्पेक्टफुली. Then comes, how did you behave with your siblings on Saturday? So if you played with them fairly, then you can write here fairly. With your friends, nicely or kindly. With your teacher, respectfully. And with your neighbors, kindly. So this is how you will fill in the table according to the day, जिस दिन आपने किस तरह का आपका बिहेवियर था. बाय द एंड ऑफ द डे आपने इस टेबल को पूरे वीक के लिए फिल करना है. अगर आपको बुक का ये पेज जो है इनफ ना लगे तो आप इसको अपनी कॉपी में भी बना सकते हैं एंड बाय द एंड ऑफ द वीक टीचर्स जो है इसको चेक करेंगी. Okay, my dear students, for evaluation, I will ask an oral question और आपने इसको oral ही answer करना है. Quickly tell me, how should we behave with others? We must behave nicely, respectfully, fairly with everyone. So should we treat everyone equally? Yes, we must treat everyone equally. Okay, my dear students, for practice, you will do this worksheet. So you need to download this worksheet. You can simply download it from the description box below this video, or you can also get it in print form by your teacher. So write down your name and your roll number, then start working. The group of children don't allow one kid to join. Is it fair? No, it is not a fair decision. The girls get 1 sticker and the boys get 3 stickers. He is her favorite student. So is it fair? No, it is not fair. The girls are happy then receive candies for equal. Is it fair? Yes, it is fair. You will write the full sentence. The whole class is baking delicious cakes. Is it fair? Yes. All kids planting plants. Yes, it is also fair. So जिसमें तमाम लोगों को सेम उनके साथ बिहेवियर हो रहा होता है तो ये एक फेयर मामला हो जाता है. So pause the video and quickly finish the worksheet. I hope everybody has done it. Now let's quickly move forward towards the homework. For homework, you will do the project at home. Daily basis पे पूरे दिन का आप record जो मुख्तलिफ तरीके का आपका behavior था सबके साथ आपने by the end of the day आपने अपने book में उसको fill out करना है. इस तरीके से ये project आपका complete होगा. And you will also do picture reading given on page number 84. So you will do it in your books. Here's the picture reading. So यहाँ पे 2 pictures आपको दी गई हैं. See the pictures and tell how will you you will behave in the following situations. दो situations हैं और आपने बताना है कि आप इन situations में कैसे behave करेंगे. How will you behave in such a situation? So यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं कि सब बच्चे बैठे हुए हैं और एक बच्ची खड़ी हुई है, तो what will you do? You will provide her with a chair ताकि वो भी comfortable बैठकर खाना खा सके. So this is how you will behave fairly. So how can you make such situation better? और अब आप इस सिचुएशन को किस तरीके से बेटर कर सकते हैं? आप देख सकते हैं कि ये बच्चा जो है इससे खाना लेकर जा रहा है, तो आपको चाहिए कि आप इसको समझाएं कि दिस इज नॉट अ फेयर बिहेवियर, और आपको चाहिए कि यू विल गिव बैक टू हर लंच. सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन मेक सिचुएशन फेयरली, यानी कि किसी को उसकी गलती का एहसास दिलाना भी एक सिचुएशन में फेयरली बिहेव करना है. So you will do it at your home. So the wrap up of the lesson is we should behave with everyone fairly. So my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. Do complete your project at your home for the whole week. Observe yourself, and that is how you can make corrections in your own personality. Have a good day. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.